Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect your TikTok account to Capcut. So without further ado, let's start. So to start, open your Capcut app. After that, you'll see at the bottom right corner of your screen, Me icon. Just tap on that. Next, you can see right there the black button, Log in with TikTok. Just tap on that. And then next, you can see Authorize Capcut to access your TikTok account. Just tap on Authorize to connect your TikTok account to Capcut. That's it. I hope that this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!